Alright, so today I will be doing another unboxing video, and I believe today I will be unboxing my first small rig purchase. So today I will be showing you guys this small rig part for a gimbal. This box contains two little bags. I will take those out. Inside here we have two little parts that I will be reviewing today. So first we have this little extension arm. We have the actual handle that the extension arm will attach to. So if you guys can't tell already, today I'll be showing you guys this additional handle to attach to a running gimbal to help support and stability. So to put this little thing contraption together, all you do, two pieces right here, attach them, spin the dial. So now, right now it's super tight all the way shut. What you will want to do is loosen it a little bit, and then you can adjust the angle so the handle sits at whatever angle you would like. And then once again, just tighten it. Boom, you got your little handle that I will attach to my gimbal. So the gimbal I have is the DJI Ronin SC2, and then this little handle I will attach right here, or whichever side you would like. If you want to attach it to the left side, you will do that in order to help give you an extra hand or stability when you are creating your videos. So what will be happening is this. There's a little piece right here that I will be attaching to this little side component right here. So all I'm going to do is attach this piece. I'm going to slide it on. We're in with the first piece of safety, and then we're going to lock it in right here. Tighten that little knob, and now we got a handle for an extra piece of support with the gimbal. So this will be super helpful when you are like moving around, like, because when initially you have just this, and then this, it's hard to keep this stable, but now you have a whole extra hand, so it's much easier to move everything as one piece and help to stabilize your footage even more to get better quality footage. Alright, so I would show some demonstrations with the camera on, but it is the only camera I use to record, so I will just give you some little demonstrations. So when you are normally walking with this gimbal, you have this, and it's hard to tell, but it's like wobbly. It's like hard. I know the gimbal is made to stabilize it, but it's hard to keep it stable with your hands on like one line of axis. But then when you add this other hand of support, you add just another level that it's easier to hold it still. Like you can move, it's much easier to move together because your hands are more spread out, and it feels much more natural than if you were to just like hold it from here. This is much harder to keep it straight and steady. This, you got a whole extra line of support, and this really helps when you're moving sideways. When you're doing this sideways, you're just hoping that you can keep steady. This, you had like the other point of contact, because it helps you can pinch this arm with the handle into your body and help keep steady even more. You can't do that with this. And then it gets really close, and like you hit the camera with your face, and this helps give you more space away from you and more steadiness. This small rig arm right here is a piece of equipment that I really recommend if you guys have a gimbal and are interested in helping to increase the comfortability as well as the steadiness of your gimbal footage. To look into investing for one of these. It will just help you so much with just helping to add the extra point of contact. Yeah, it just gives you more comfortability to help make your shots more stable and steady even with the gimbal. So I really recommend that if you guys are looking to purchase one of these, I will put a link in my description for any of you guys, and let me know what you guys think of the video or of the product if you used it or something similar to it before.